Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be a different kind of video. I'm going to be talking about all of my favorite Bath & Body Works scents. Now these are like the ones that you can get in either like a lotion or a spray or a body wash or whatever, not like the candles because that's a whole entire different video. But today I'm just going to be talking about the scents you can get for like body care. So I wanted to talk about my favorite perfumes because that's something I've never talked about before. And I have a lot of favorites from Bath & Body Works that I do want to share and that I would definitely recommend if you're looking for like a perfume or a lotion or whatever, but you don't want to spend like a lot of money on it, you know, but you're looking for like a good scent. So this is what this video is for, so let's just get on into it. So we're going to start with my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works ever, and it's actually a newer scent that I purchased this year. Well, last year, 2017. I did want to explain. I have been a avid shopper at Bath & Body Works for like years now, but this one is my favorite that they have come up with to date, and that is a Wahoo Coconut Sunset. And clearly I love it because there's like this much left in the bottle. There's like nothing left. And this was actually like a limited edition scent, but now on Bath & Body Works website they have it under their retired scents, which I don't understand that, because if it's a retired scent you wouldn't be able to purchase it, but you can still purchase these. So it confuses me. But anyway, this is on their website and I'm going to talk about the notes. It says it's a warm, sensual blend of perfect Oahu sunset and the alluring scent of coconut blossom. So that's what it says about the fragrance. I completely agree. It smells like you're in Hawaii. Not that I've ever been in Hawaii. It definitely has like a strong like sunset, coconut, I'm at the beach, I'm loving it kind of scent. It just smells like a beautiful summer to me, and I freaking love this smell so much. I will repurchase it as many times as I can. Also, I want to give a quick disclaimer. I know this is a lot of perfumes and that one person maybe shouldn't have this many. I actually have more than I'm going to show in this video today. These are just my favorites. And I know that I probably shouldn't have this many or more, but I am a perfume hoarder, so I'm accepting it right now. I'm aware. And let's just keep this video going. Okay, so next is just a classic scent from Bath & Body Works. It is Warm Vanilla Sugar. This is just a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. This is one of my favorites also as well. This is one of the fragrances I actually started using because of my mother. I smelled it one time in her room and I was like, I have to have that. So then I went to Bath & Body Works and purchased it. So this is still one of my favorites. I still really do love it. It's just not my favorite, you know what I'm saying? So it says, indulge in a cozy, irresistible scent of vanilla and sheer florals. It says intoxicating vanilla, white orchid, sparkling sugar, fresh jasmine, and creamy sandalwood. And I really do love this perfume. I think it smells, you know, really good. Now, what I will say about these is that since they are fragrance mists, they don't last as long as like a real perfume would. But personally, that doesn't really bother me because of the price you're paying for it. Applying it a couple times a day is not a big deal, in my opinion at least. So yeah, again, Warm Vanilla Sugar, classic. If you're gonna pick one out of this whole thing, I would say this one might be the most like universal that everyone might like. Okay, the next one I want to talk about is Forever Sunshine. Now this is a wonderful scent as well. I'm probably gonna say that about all of these because I really do love them. This is just a beautiful like summer type scent. It brings me back to like summer and fresh days, and it really smells like a expensive perfume to me, in my opinion. Now, according to their website, it is currently not on there, but I know that Bath & Body Works does bring back scents every now and then, so if you can get your hands on this, I would say go in store, smell it, and see if you like it first, because it does have a kind of florally scent to it, and if you're not a fan of those, I would stay away from this, but definitely go try it out and smell it, and then you might fall in love with it if they bring it back, and I would definitely purchase it again. Now, I have so many perfumes that, you know, it's hard to go through like one unless I'm completely obsessed with it, but this is one that I've been completely obsessed with for a while, and this is my third bottle of it. And this is Velvet Sugar. I got this as a gift one Christmas and I was completely obsessed with it. This is definitely a sweeter scent. It does smell more like sugar. The website, it doesn't look like they're selling the mist, but it looks like they're selling everything else. But I'm going to go ahead and read the notes. So it's savor every moment of this sweetly scrumptious blend, red velvet cream and golden plum lace with a swirl of sugared musk, pink jasmine, and wild strawberries. Too much is never enough. And I agree. I love this perfume. Too much of it is never enough. I could spray this all day. I do smell the hint of strawberries now that they say that. It smells so good. And I would definitely think like a younger girl might really appreciate this perfume. I mean, I'm old, but I still really do appreciate this perfume. Love the smell of it, and I would definitely recommend it. What I will say is they change their packaging on these things all the time, so some of my packages may not look the same as what they're selling now. Okay, the next one that I want to talk about is actually a newer purchase to my collection, and this is from their new line with their essential oils that they put into it, and this is the Almond and Vanilla with natural almond oil. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love the smell of this. It smells a lot more of vanilla than almond to me, but also I smell the mixture of almond. If you don't like vanilla, I would definitely stay away from this. If you're not one who likes essential oils, again, I would stay away from this. I have 3 in this line, but this is my favorite. I just think it smells really good, and I would definitely purchase this again if I ever run out of it because I'm still at the top. But I really do like this perfume. According to their website, they are currently not selling this that I'm aware of that I can see. But definitely if they bring this line back, I would check into it and see. They had 3 or 4 different ones when I was there. They had this one, which was the Almond and Vanilla. They had like a apple scented one. They had the blueberry and chamomile, which I also have, which I feel is very relaxing. I like to spray that at night. It is one of my favorites, so I guess I should have included it in here, but I didn't. So that one as well. But yeah, if you see these at your local Bath & Body Works or online, if you're an online shopper, I would definitely pick this up. I really do like the smell of it. It's just very refreshing, and I find it to be quite relaxing when I spray this. Alright, so the next scent I want to talk about is one that I was also obsessed with for a long time. I went through a big bottle and then ended up purchasing a small bottle of it, and that is the scent Paris Amour. I really love this scent. It smells really good and like romantic, and it has a sweet like side to it, but also it's like very sexy smelling to me. I don't know, I really love this scent. It smells really good. It also it's very feminine to me in my opinion, but it also could be like a smaller, younger girl scent. I feel like it could work for both. Bath & Body Works says that from Paris with love, like a romantic stroll through the city of love, Paris Amour is a dreamy blend of French tulips with a pop of pink champagne. And I do agree with that. I smell like the champagne would be kind of like the sexier side of it, but it does smell of tulips and it smells really good. I love this scent. Definitely very floral, but very sweet. And if you aren't one to like sweet perfumes, I might stay away from this. So another one that I was completely obsessed with, that I bought a big bottle of it and then ended up buying a small bottle of it, is the scent Pink Chiffon. I really love this scent. It smells very sweet to me again. I'm a person who likes the sweet scent. This smells like a hint of vanilla and some kind of florally scent to me. And Bath & Body Works says that everything is prettier in pink chiffon. This light as air pairing of soft pink petals and vanilla chiffon icing represents the flirty femininity, that was weird, femininity of feeling pretty in pink. And then its keynote says sparkling red pear, jasmine petals, tiare flower, vanilla orchid, and chiffon musk. Oh, it smells so good. They are still selling this currently at Bath & Body Works, and I would get your hands on it. Alright, another scent I would like to talk about today is the Cashmere Glow. Now this girl smells so good. This smells to me more on the sexy side of things. It kind of reminds me of vanilla, warm vanilla sugar, but like a sexier version, if that makes sense. It smells so good. Definitely smells of vanilla, and I feel like there's a little musk in there. There's like a little musky scent to it. So the notes say, wrap yourself in cashmere. Cashmere Glow envelops you in a warmth of vanilla and golden peach layered with luxurious cashmere musk. I don't really smell the peach in here. I definitely smell the vanilla and the musk. But regardless, this smells so good. If you're looking for like a kind of sexy, like night on the town kind of perfume, I would definitely go for this one. It is one of my favorites. Another scent I want to talk about is 1,000 Wishes. This is another one that I bought a perfume a big one, and I went through it completely, and I only have a lotion left over, but this smells so good. I love the smell of this. I don't really know what it reminds me of. Like, I can't pick out one scent in there. It smells florally, but I don't know how to describe this. Let's go ask Bath & Body Works. So it says, warm your heart 1,000 times over with a festive blend of sparkling champagne, crystal peonies, and almond cream. Almond? Huh. And then it says keynotes, pink prosecco, sparkling quince, crystal peonies, gilded amber, and amaretto cream. I don't really know what any of those are, except for peonies. Those are flowers, which I can kind of smell that. But anyway, this one is a really good scent as well. This is another one I would highly recommend. All of these I would recommend. But I mean, if you go through a big one of their perfume, that really means something, especially with the perfume hoarder that I am. Okay, so next is a different kind of one for me. I don't really typically go for fruit smells just because I don't really like the smell of them, and they most of the time give me a headache, but this is an exception to that rule. This is the scent Pretty as a Peach. I love the packaging of this. I think it is so cute. Obviously it smells of peaches because that's what it's named after. Definitely smells of fruit smells. Keynotes, blushing peach, jasmine petals, white nectarine. That's it, nectarine. Apple blossoms, and sheer freesia. See, now I don't normally like apple smells, but I feel like it's hidden by the peach in this, so it's okay to me. This smells so good. I'm not a fruit scent lover, and if you aren't either, I would definitely try the Pretty as a Peach because it really surprised me, and I definitely gravitated towards this one. Alright guys, so the last scent that I have to show you guys today is Japanese Cherry Blossom. Now this one really surprised me because I remember smelling this when I was younger, and I hated the scent of it, like hated it. As I've gotten older, I've learned to appreciate the smell of this. It smells very like seductive. It smells like one of those perfumes you would wear out on date night. I just want to make this clear. I've not ever owned the perfume of this, but I have owned the lotion of this, and I have gone through an entire bottle of it, so that is saying something. It smelled really good. I really did love it. I just definitely think it's a more mature scent, more sexy, and kind of like a night on the town kind of event. The notes on Bath & Body Works say an oh-so-fresh blend of Japanese cherry blossoms, crisp pears, mimosa petals, and sweet sandalwood. The keynotes are Japanese cherry blossom, Asian pear, fresh mimosa petals, white jasmine, and blushing sandalwood. So if you're not a fan of like a more mature, like sexier scent, I would definitely stay away from this. It's not sweet, but it's also not like so overpowering that it gives me a headache because I do have that problem. I think it's a great scent if you want like a more mature kind of scent from Bath & Body Works. Okay guys, so that is it for my video today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and found this helpful. I don't know if you really care what my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works are, but just in case you were wondering or you're looking for a good scent, here are a few options for you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me and I appreciate your support. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below and make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!